Hello everyone, welcome back to Petaka Technologies. In this video, let's see what is data warehousing in Microsoft Fabric and benefits of Fabric Data Warehouse. Let's get started. What is data warehousing in Microsoft Fabric? Let me explain you in simple terms. Microsoft Fabric Data Warehouse is like a central storage and processing system where all your organization's important data is collected, cleaned, and structured so that people can easily analyze it and make business decisions. Fabric Data Warehouse also allows you to store all this data in a structured way. So your analyst can run fast queries and your dashboards in Power BI always show up-to-date insights. You can also organize the data using star and snowflake schemas. For example, a central sales table linked to dimension tables like customer, product, and date tables. In this, delta tables track every change, so you never lose your data. Think of it as a Google Doc where every change is saved automatically. Also, all data in Fabric, including your warehouse, is stored in delta tables, basically as Parquet files with a transaction log, so that it allows multiple teams like data engineers and business users to collaborate without breaking security rules in your system. Fabric Data Warehouse is developed using T-SQL, which means Transact SQL, the same language used in SQL Server and Azure SQL database as well. Because Fabric also supports ACID transactions, materialized views, functions, and store procedures for faster performance. Imagine you work in an e-commerce company. When customers place orders, your sales table gets new rows every minute. The delta table format helps track all these updates efficiently, and there is no data loss, no duplication, and you will get full audit history. Also, you can bulk load your data into Fabric Data Warehouse in multiple ways using T-SQL commands like copy into or through pipelines and data flows in Fabric or even through Spark notebooks for big data scenarios. Let's assume Fabric Data Warehouse is like tightly integrated with Power BI so that you can directly connect your Power BI reports and dashboards to your warehouse data. There is no manual efforts required. Now let's see what are the benefits and key points of Microsoft Fabric are. Using Microsoft Fabric, you can access multiple sources without duplicating data. Also, Fabric Data Warehouse optimizes queries automatically and multiple teams can work without risking governance. That's all for this video. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to Petaka Technologies, and check out my Microsoft Fabric playlist for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.